What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be installing, wait, what are they called? In today's video, guys, we're gonna be installing some Faction Fab exhaust. Ooh. Look at that embroidery there, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Tough. So guys, we're gonna be installing these exhausts, axle back actually, on my little brother's 2017 WRX. The reason I believe that he went with this exhaust is because it's pretty cheap. It's only like $300. Second, because it's not that loud, but it still allows you to hear the car a little bit better, which in my opinion makes it more fun to drive and allows you to rev match better and just enjoy the ride more and daily drive the car, which is exactly what it needs. And they also look pretty good. I don't know if you guys have seen the stock mufflers on this car. They're freaking huge. Those things are mad big, so this is gonna get rid of that. It's gonna clear up some space, and also it's much lighter. And you can see he got the burnt tips, so it's gonna look pretty good, I believe, with the colorway that he's got going on the car. So I'm actually kind of excited for him because I know how it feels when you install your first exhaust on your car, so it's gonna be nice. So let's get into it. The way I'm gonna break down this video is I'm going to just tell you guys basically what you're gonna do. It's literally super easy. There's only 4 bolts you're gonna have to remove, and then it's sitting on like 2 hangers on each side. So you remove that, and then you install the two then you install the 2 pipes, and then you connect the actual exit. So let's get right into it. We're gonna jack the car up. Alright guys, so the 2 bolts here are 15 mil. So if you can find a wrench and a socket, and you just hold one side, try to get a deep socket because these bolts are kind of long.
I thought they were going to sell me a large one.
Alright, because you saw that kid's video? Well, you know, he's got a YouTube channel and stuff. Imagine it wasn't on that hanger, bruh. That would have been game over. Alright guys, so once you get the bolts off, this is the last little hanger that it's hanging off of. If you spray it with a little DW40, it should be easier, but honestly I don't think you even have to, so we're just going to try to pull it out.
There's 2. There's one on the front.
Alright.
1 hour later. Boy.
A little side by side. Obviously this is the stock. This is the aftermarket. As you can see the difference. This thing is massive, dude. And it weighs a lot more than the aftermarket, so you're losing a couple pounds there at least. So yeah. So now we're gonna throw this on, and then once we have both sides on, we'll put the tips on. I forgot to mention the cool thing about this exhaust when you order from what's it called? Subaru. They send you the brand new bolts and nuts, and they also send you a brand new gasket to put on. So we're going to be putting this on, and we're going to be using the new bolts. Alright guys, we have the tips on, the quad tips. He's just gonna do a cold start to make sure that there's no exhaust leaks. And once he does that, then we'll lower the car and see how it sounds on the ground. Go ahead, bro. You can even hear the turbo.
Okay.
Yeah. I like that.
I'm gonna park a little further.
That made me a little bit, making me a little bit horny right now. One more time. Oh, bro, just from an axle back, that's crazy. I can't believe that, bro. For $300, you get that. Recommend it. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description, and I'm probably gonna close the video out here. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. We're gonna be doing more videos hopefully on this car. I don't know if he has any other mods he wants to do to this car, but we should be getting the BRZ back soon. I know you guys have probably been wondering where the hell that car has been, but it is coming back on the channel. I'm also thinking about getting a Miata as like a project car, but we'll talk about all that stuff in a separate video. This was just like an install and review of this exhaust. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Huge shout out to my little brother for letting me install the exhaust. I'm sure he doesn't mind. And for letting me drive the car and for filming the video. So I don't know if he has anything he wants to add, like his IG or something like that. You want to put your plug? I'll just put it on the screen. I'll put it on the screen. Go check out his page. He has a lot of cool pictures of the car too. So, and I'm sure he's gonna be updating his IG with any installs or anything like that he wants to do to the car. So stay tuned, and hopefully we got more stuff to do to this car in the future. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Four in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be